nice and lovely, guys. So basically, as you can see, just gonna do a quick, simple smoothie recipe. Alright, get your blender. I got some blueberry and I got some. Alright. Here it is, blueberry and blackberry. So that's some blueberry. And this is some blackberry. Very nice one, guys, honestly. And then you're gonna put some strawberry. Inside of it, alright? Yeah. Yeah, you have to put some strawberry inside of it. So what I'm going to do is add some milk to it. Just roughly about half cups of milk. And I'm going to use the Caribbean Fusion Baking Essence Spice Mix. Very good for you. Alright? Let's see what I'm going to use inside of it. I'm going to put a little bit in it. Teaspoon of vanilla, cover this, and give it a quick blend. That's what they want to drink in the morning. Alright, not only that, very healthy and good for you. Alright, you can use almond milk, whatever kind of milk you think you like to use, you can use it. Alright, so as you can see for yourself, that is fantastic and an amazing one. Alright, please enjoy and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Quick and simple recipe to make at home in the kitchen. Alright, and that is only from Chef Ricardo today. Beautiful one, look at that. Fantastic and an amazing. The color and the texture is amazing, guys. Alright, anyway, thank you for watching. Stay tuned in and I will see you next time in the kitchen. As I say, you can get all of these ingredients at a local shop or your supermarket. Alright, remember you can use this also inside of it. This is a Caribbean Fusion Baking Mix Spice right here. Alright, very very nicely and delicious to use into certain little smoothie what you want to make at home. Alright, this one here it is, beautiful. See you next time in the kitchen with more recipe from Chef Ricardo.